Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use AI to make Instagram posts. Easy method. Start by choosing a goal like engagement, sales, or awareness and define your audience. Use an AI prompt template for tone, length, and hashtags, then generate several caption alternatives and image concepts. Review and edit to keep your brand voice, add a clear call to action, and schedule posts for consistent publishing. Write prompts that tell the AI who your audience is and what outcome you want, such as clicks, comments, or follows. Specify tone, length, and required keywords so captions match your brand voice. Request multiple caption variations and a set of hashtags to a /B test. Include any image directions so visuals align with captions, then choose the best options and refine them for clarity and emotional impact before scheduling. Pair AI captions with simple, on-brand visuals created in a design app using templates and your brand colors. Generate image ideas from AI, then refine them with consistent fonts and logo placement. Use a scheduling tool to pick optimal posting times and automate publishing so you maintain a steady presence. Review analytics to learn which captions and visuals perform best, then iterate your prompts accordingly for continuous improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.